It's here. The moment you've all been waiting for. Lexus releases an IS with a V8 engine. Will it be an ISF? Will it have a bigger front grille? Will it have more aggressive fenders? I guess not. It looks exactly the same as an IS 350, except for a bulge. Okay. The good news is, NIA can help you make it more aggressive. Introducing the NIA Splitter for the IS 500 with bigger side fins, sharper lines, and overall more aggressive look. Available color matched in any OEM factory color. Made out of durable quality ABS plastic. All holes pre-drilled for an easy installation. Proudly made in the USA. Guaranteed fitment. Quadrilingual customer service. Yes, you heard right. Quadrilingual. 4 languages. We speak English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Russian. Order today. NIA Body Kits. Quality. Engineered. Artistry.